Malos.
Lordship, permit to mention one contempt application is running today's delegates, Lordship. Lordship, in the previous order, Lordship has given the direction to the arrest contempt now, who is KMC here, Lordship, that they should serve notice to the private respondents and hearing should be made and reason order should be passed. But this order has been passed by your Lordship on the 30th.
What you want?
Lordship, kindly fix a time to the Lordship. I will serve the notice to Mr.
No.
Banerjee.
The business of the court will not permit today.
Lordship, petitioner is the handicapped person, Lordship.
Today it will not be possible.
Malos, item
Application for restoration.
No, today is not the
item
day.
number 155 of your Lordship is list today. Malos, this is regarding correction of date of birth of an employee, and this is not a fag end case. Malos, the employee is going to return Malos on 30th of June. Malos, if your Lordship kindly takes up any time today, Malos. Malos,
The business of the court will not permit today.
Malos, the employee will return on
Absolutely
30th.
impossible.
Malos, this matter was mentioned.
Extension of interim order, my lord. Extension of interim order. Interim order is going to expire on 30th June.
Mention before the bench having determination next week.
It's your lordship determination, my lord.
Today is the last date possibly.
My lord, correction of order, my lord.
What is the correction?
One, my lord, cost title and another date of death. It will be the retirement.
Yes.
I need to mention the matter for application. There is a direction of the Honorable Supreme Court for
Sorry, not today.
I'm not seeking today, anytime next week.
Next week, mention next week.
Malos, kindly, Malos, because Malos, the matter will become infructuous.
Sorry.
Take Malos 10 to 15 minutes.
Call the list, please.
Lordship, my lord, may I mention one original side matter, my lord, with the leave of your lordship, my lord. The specific liberty was given by your lordship to mention the matter, my lord, after exchange of affidavit. Kindly remember the Kolkata police.
Please mention next week.
Lord, as per your lordship's desire, my lord, I am submitting the written notes.
Would you like to submit anything? No.
Like to submit anything, I have indicated
Everything is.
contention of my learned.
All right, I'll take care of it.
I must indicate one thing. The next matter, item 2, in paragraph 12, my learned senior friend had referred to paragraph 12 of that writ petition, the last two lines, that out of 20 writ petitioners, my lord, it was, my lord, stated that no one, my lord, raised any objection. This fact is incorrect.
All right, somebody raised objection.
Yes. For, my lord, raised objection, what happened, my lord? I had
At which stage was objection raised?
the objection was raised when, my lord, the agency said you raised the objection. At that stage.
After publication of the.
No, not after publication of the final answer script.
No, prior thereto.
Prior
Prior
thereto?
to the interview.
Yes.
Prior to the interview.
So on this ground, my lord, I have said that you have to face the consequences, but there is one thing your lordship will find from first paragraph to up to paragraph 16, my lord, they simply cut it from
Previous
quotation,
matter.
yes, and paste it, my lord. Verbatim same, but be that as it may, my lord, I have to, my lord, I had taken that instruction and my lord, they will face the consequences, my lord. I'm extremely grateful, my lord.
All right.
Much obliged, sir.
Petitioner has filed this Ganesh Tiwari written notes of argument will be applicable in the matter of Abhishek also.
Yes, yes.
Separate too.
Yes.
For you, it is separate. For him, he is given one, and you've mentioned the in Abhishek Sharma, the last 4 lines you said paragraph 12 is all mentioned here.
My lord, then, my lord, kindly give me a day's time, my lord. I will, my lord, Monday I can, my lord, hand over the. If your lordship require this.
Lordship is not sitting.
This determination won't be there. You've seen
That
the
is-
change
that is-
determination.
But I can hand over, my lord, the written notes, my lord.
All right, you hand it over to. Let this be there. You get it corrected and hand it over to my officer today only.
Your lordship already noted everything, both sides.
More or less, I have taken notes.
My lord,
Please
I have
come.
indicated that.
All then it will be all right. Then do not give anything more. Written notes of argument filed on behalf of both the parties in court today be taken on record. Hearing stands concluded. CAV.
Grateful, my lord.
Judge, আমার জন্যই late করে বসেছে।
Lordship, I appear for the petitioner. Lordship will recall this is that matter where
I beg to appear for this state,
the
my lord.
petitioner had retired in the year 2011.
Do you want to proceed with hearing?
Lordship had considered it. It was only a small point. Lordship had asked.
Then they have not started also. So I make it
opposition-
not today.
Lordship
I make it not
will
today.
take Lordship's 2 minutes time. Lordship has
No.
seized the order.
Next day, next, before the next honorable judge.
Opportunity to come back.
Yeah, that is the reason. This is the reason I do not want to take it.
Grateful,
Grateful.
Lordship. Even my lord, I would have prayed for time only. I just got the brief right now. Grateful, Lordship.
Grateful.
Jalpaiguri.
I am appearing for the contempt, my lord. He is virtually present before your lordship, my lord.
Who is the contemner?
The block development officer Kumar Gram.
Yes.
He is there, my lord.
A notice was served, none appeared, and that was the reason for personal
yes, my
appearance.
lord.
Why is it so?
My lord,
Why are counsels not appearing
my
despite
lord,
receiving
what
notices?
I was informed, my lord, it was during that time, my lord, after the results, my lord, where the learned advocate general tendered his resignation and none had appeared, my
Well,
lord.
what is the position? Has the order been complied?
My lord, the
First-
position today is, my lord, that there was, it was at the end of the, my lord, Director of Pension, Provident Fund and Group Insurance, my lord. From the office of the block development officer, it has been processed and it has been sent.
When?
First, my lord, it was sent on, no, the present incumbent, my lord, he had joined on 1st of December 2025. The records which were made available to me, my lord, 7th of August 2025, a communication, my lord, was sent to the Director of Pension Provident Fund.
First, you tell me whether the block development officer granted notional benefit.
My lord,
That is the direction of the court.
notional benefit, my lord, he had sent it to the,
Send it by approving it.
yes, from his end, my lord, that is what I have been told. It is now, my lord, it is pending before the
Pending for what? Dispersal?
pending oral instruction pending at the finance department for that dispersal, my lord.
For dispersal?
Yes, but nothing on writing, my lord, in that respect to with me,
File your affidavit of compliance.
lordship.
Because this is a specific order
Yes, my lord.
passed in October 24.
Yes,
The
my lord.
BDO is directed to grant notional benefit to the petitioner by treating him in service for the qualifying period of
Yes,
10
my lord.
years. So, mandatory order, he has
Mandatory
to
order, yes. He has, my lord,
grant notional benefits.
he has, my lord, processed it, my lord.
Are you aware? Is the petitioner aware? Nothing?
No, my lord. He is there, my lord.
BDO,
My lord.
are you aware whether the notional benefit of the petitioner has been granted or not?
My lord, actually, the Directorate of Pension demanded for a reasoned order, office order from the PRRD department, the policy making department, ma'am. Actually, my predecessor, Rajat Kumar Baliga, he had already sent all the documents required for sanctioning a pension to the Directorate of Pension, my lord. After that, Directorate of Pension issued a memo on 9th of September 2025 demanding for a office order issued by the PNRD department. So that's why, my lord, I made a communication to the district magistrate for approaching the PNRD department for issuing an office order or reasoned order. That is yet to
compliance,
be issued, my lord. For compliance only, my lord.
See, the order was passed on 1st of October 2024, and there is a mandatory direction upon the BDO to grant a notional benefit. Now, whether you will obtain the office order from the Panchayat and Rural Development Department or not, it is up to you. But keep this in mind that if any punishment is imposed, it will be imposed upon you and not upon any other officer. So, you keep that in mind and take whatever steps you are required to take. Have you followed? Because the direction, a mandatory one, is upon you, and whatever necessary is required to be done has to be done by you only. And the court is not going to accept any excuse, whether you send it to somebody, the office order is not there, nothing of the sort.
Yes, my lord. My lord, actually, I have
No,
sent all the
actually,
documents.
please come. The order dated 1st October 2024, directing the block development officer to grant notional benefit to the petitioner by treating him to be in service for the qualifying period of 10 years has not been complied with till date. Stop. The BDO was also directed to process the pension file of the petitioner and ensure that he receives his pension at the earliest, but positively within a period of 4 months from the date of communication of the order. Paragraph, the time period to comply the order has expired long back. Stop. The present incumbent is virtually present. Stop. It has been submitted that he joined the present post in
On 1st of December 2025.
all right. Stop paragraph. It has further been submitted that steps have been taken for compliance of the order. Stop. Hearing of the contempt application stands adjourned till 6th August 2026. Stop. An affidavit of compliance shall be made ready and circulated prior to the adjourned date. The personal appearance of the block development officer stands dispensed with for the time being.
Grateful.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Item number 2, I am for the Malad petition. So,
Chairman of the Mal Municipality, is he present? Has it been served?
yes, Malad,
Served upon Utpal Bhaduri. The chairman, Man Municipality, Utpal Bhaduri is not present in court despite issuance of the contempt rule. Stop. The which police station will it be?
Malad Mal police station.
And so the officer in charge, Mal Police Station, is directed to ensure presence of the chairman, Mal Municipality. Before this court on 23rd July. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to the officer in charge, Mal Municipality.
I'm grateful, much also.
Police officer in charge, Mal Police Station. Item 1, Port Blair.
My lord, I am appearing for the petition, my lord.
I am for the respondent, my lord.
Crux of the matter is that, my lord, on the basis of a selection process, I was appointed to the post of state program executive for a specific period, and further extension was based on my performance. A so-cause notice was issued on foreign grounds, my lord, and thereafter I submitted my elaborate reply. Without considering the reply, I have been terminated from service. My lord, may kindly see the termination order, my lord, at page 81. My lord,
There is already an order
Yes,
lord.
yes, my lord,
My lord, the can application, my lord, at the face of it is not maintainable. If my lord comes to the last order, my lord, of Justice
let me place
Vitobrata,
my
my lord.
case. Let me place my case. My lord,
The
may
can
kindly come
application
to.
is not at all maintainable, my lord.
Yes, yes, my lord,
All
my
right.
My
lord,
lord, may kindly come to last order, my lord.
All right,
My-
please wait.
My lord,
Respondent, please wait. Yes.
Lordship.
my lord, page 81 is the termination order. My lord, may kindly turn to page 82. Last portion, my lord. Notice period.
Yes.
Page 82. It says, since the existing contract engagement of so-and-so is scheduled to expire on so-and-so, the contract is hereby extended for a further period of 1 month from the date of issuance of this order solely for the purpose of completion of notice period, so-and-so, so-and-so. Now, my lord, I have challenged this termination order on the ground. It's a clear violation of principle of natural justice, and further, it is a stigmatic in nature. And therefore, my lord, no, without conducting an inquiry, it cannot be. And I relied upon a Supreme Court judgment on the said score. Now, my lord, may kindly see page 85 of the order passed by the court, inner page 3, last paragraph. I have heard the learned advocate
Yes.
for the parties. Now, my lord, may kindly turn to next page. The finding of the court, para 3.
Yes.
It is indisputable that the petitioner's reply to the so-cause notice was not considered in very great detail by the authority, nor did the authority give any hearing to the petitioner after the reply to the so-cause was given by the minister. There is no evidence on record to show that the authorities have caused any investigation or inquiry into the matter before coming to the conclusion and finding, as they have done in the termination notice, that there was a breach of obligation under the confidential clause of the petitioner, or the petitioner has caused breach of the contract in any manner as invoked in the termination notice. The issue of unsatisfactory performance by the petitioner has also not been addressed, as the same issue has been explained in the reply, so and so. The mere allegation that the petitioner has obstructed the function of the mission or has taken step in a manner which caused damage to the prestige and reputation are mere bold allegation without any specific particular of the charge. In fact, there are no article of charge pursuant to the said so-cause notice. Thereafter, my lord, the termination notice is also stigmatic in nature, as on the basis the petition will be unable to get any further employment, so and so. In view of the above, the notice of termination dated so and so is stayed till July 15, 2026. I make it clear the interim order shall not create any right. Now, my lord, the authority has taken note of only the contention that the court has stayed the termination order, whereby the court has extended the notice period up to 30th June. Now, my lord, court has stayed the termination order on the ground of violation of principle of natural justice, and the order is stigmatic and there is no reason was assigned. Now, my lord, page 88 is the order because of which I am before my lords. My lord, may kindly see para 5. It says, my lord, after considering that High Court order, pass in the writ, now therefore it is hereby informed that the contractual engagement of Gautam Baidia having expired, well, the termination order stands stayed, and no order for renewal of extension thereof have been issued by the competent authority. He shall not be required to attend the duty. This. Now, my lord, my only contention is that, my lord, the court has stayed the termination order on merit, and in termination order there was up to 30th June. My lord, I was allowed to discharge the duties. Now, my lord, because of this order, I have been restrained. After the order was passed from 18th June, up to 18th, I have served. In the 18th June, I have received this order. From 19th onwards, I have not allowed. Now, my lord, the court has directed them to file reply within a week. They have filed the reply. I will file my rejoinder. Why, my lord, this order, my lord? That matter can be taken up on priority. I am ready on Tuesday also if the matter is taken, my lord. So why this, my lord? This is abuse of power, my lord, absolute abuse of power. And even they have filed a caveat, my lord. Kindly appreciate the situation, how far they have gone for a contract employee, my lord. This is my submission, my lord. I am praying for staying.
My lord, may kindly come to page number 3 of the order, my lord, because he had partly he has just apprised this honorable court. My lord, I have heard the learned advocates, my lord, got it. My lord, page 3 of the internal page 3 of the order, my lord.
Yes.
It is not in dispute that the petitioner was in service on a contract basis. It is also indisputable that the service of the petitioner by efflux of time would have come to an end on May 31st, 2026. Thus, the termination on May 29, 2026, which is assailed in this writ petition, could have been a mere formality. Thereafter, my lord, the issue which arises for consideration is why would be authorities terminate the service of the petitioner when by efflux of time the contract would have come to an end on May 31st, 2026. Thereafter, my lord, page 5, my lord, page 5 of the order, my lord. The termination, I make it clear, third para, my lord. I make it clear that this interim order will not create any equity or right in favor of the petitioner in any manner whatsoever, nor will it create any liability or obligation on the authorities to extend the contract since the same has already expired. My lord, so therefore, my lord, the order, the notice which has been issued, my lord, is absolutely proper, my lord, because the efflux of time, it has already been expired, my lord. His contractual appointment has already been expired, my lord, and there is an order, my lord, where it is clear, my lord, that Honorable Justice has made it clear that this interim order will not create any equity or right in favor of the petitioner in any manner whatsoever, nor will it create any liability or obligation on the authorities to extend the contract since the same has already expired. So, my lord, this notice is absolutely correct, my lord. And there is, like, they have not violated any court's order, my lord. The notice is absolutely proper, my lord.
All right. Yes.
And the CAN application, my lord, if my lord can see the CAN application, the face of it is not maintainable, my lord.
What is
Because
the prayer in the CAN? Set aside the impugn termination notice. That is the primary prayer in the writ.
Termination order, my lord, that is there.
No, no, my
that
lord.
this-
No, 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 my
The
lord.
further
No.
employment of the petitioner in the said mission will be subject
No,
to
no.
the outcome of this writ petition. Writ petition is
Yes,
pending,
yes.
my lord.
I have followed it.
My lord, we
Yes,
have
petitioner. Petitioner,
My
tell
lord,
me.
we in this CAN application, we have challenged the order dated 18th June, my lord, not the order which is the impugned in the writ petition. It was passed after the order of the this court. Single
Prayer,
judge passed an order.
prayer 1 in the CAN, you see.
Yes, my lord.
25th of May 2026, the termination notice.
20?
Which is page 29.
My lord.
Even page 30, para D, my lord, the paragraph D of the prayer D,
My lord.
prayer D, my lord.
No,
29
my
5
lord.
2026,
This order
my
is
lord.
entirely different, my lord. My lord, can you see page 10 of my prayer in the stay application, in the CAN application?
Is this the writ that you have annexed?
Writ.
Yes, my lord. That
Oh,
is
I
writ
see.
petition.
I
My
see.
lord.
I see. What is
My lord,
the?
after the order of the writ court, this order was passed. That is impugned before
I
my
have
lord.
followed. I have.
Yes,
What is the 18th of June 20? Tell me,
my
petitioner,
lord. My lord.
your writ petition is pending,
My lord.
right? Your
My
contract
My
in
lord.
usual course
Yes.
comes to an end
My lord.
in the end of June
My
or
lord.
in the end of May.
My lord.
And that is the reason the court was left wondering as to why this notice of termination was given. The moment the contract is not extended, your service period comes to an end.
My lord. My lord.
Do you think by
My lord.
virtue of the court's order, you will be
My
permitted
lord.
to work? Can
No,
that
no,
be
my lord.
done?
No, no, my lord, I have relied upon the judgment of Supreme Court. I am not on that. What I am on, my lord, the termination order has two parts. First, without considering my case, stigmatic order was passed. The
It
court
is
considered.
absolutely a misconception on the part of the respondents in issuing the termination order. If the contract is not renewed, it automatically comes to an end.
Grateful,
But my lord, when it is stigmatic, my lord, the Supreme Court said, my lord, that judgment I have
Well,
relied.
the stigmatic doesn't
Yes.
mean that you get another chance in the contract for extension of the contract. The stigma
My lord,
can be taken care of by the court in the
no,
main
my
writ
lord,
petition.
no, my lord, that Priyadarshini judgment. There are two judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord,
Yes,
which I have
it
relied
is
one
better
judgment.
you move before the bench, which is sitting on Monday, 29th, because the interim order is already there in your favor. Please come.
So my lord may record it that it may place before the circuit bench, my
Yes,
lord.
yes,
Then
please.
without my lord
Yes,
embarking
yes.
on the merits of the
The petitioner has filed an interlocutory application in connection with the main writ petition impugning the office order dated 18th of June 2026 issued by the respondent authorities. ' Stop. It appears that the notice of termination which was issued to the petitioner on 29th May 2026 has already been stayed by the court on 15th, stayed by the court till 15th July 2026. Stop. The respondents were directed to file affidavit in opposition by 23rd of June and reply by 29th of June. Stop.
They
The
have filed
matter,
the opposition.
the matter
My
has
lord,
been
we have
made
already filed
referable
an opposition, my lord.
on 30th June 2026. Stop. It has been brought to the notice of the parties that the affidavits have already been exchanged.
No,
Stop.
my lord,
Paragraph.
I have filed my affidavit in opposition, my lord. They have to file the reply, my lord.
A petitioner has not filed. You said you
No, my
filed.
lord. No, I have filed
Okay.
my opposition, my lord. They have not filed the reply.
All right. Opposition has been filed. The petitioner may file the reply within the time as stipulated in the order dated 15th of June 2026, passed in the writ petition. Stop. It appears that in usual course of events, the contractual service of the petitioner would have come to an end on 31st May 2026. Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that after the interim order was passed by the court on 15th June 2026, the authority permitted him to discharge his duties. The same will be stopped by virtue of the impugned office order dated 18th June 2026. Stop paragraph. As it appears that the court, while admitting the writ petition, passed order on 15th June 2026 that the interim order will not create any equity or right in favor of the petitioner in any manner whatsoever, and nor will it create any liability or obligation on the part of the authority to extend the contract as the same had expired, accordingly, the court right now is not inclined to interfere with the impugned office order number 782 dated 18th June 2026. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to raise all issues before the court at the time of hearing of the writ petition, which is scheduled on 30th June 2026. Stop. The connecting application stands disposed of.
Oblige, my lord.
Oblige, my lord. Grateful.
Item 2, petitioner.
My lord, I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Here I have challenged the transfer, my lord. This petitioner is working as stenographer grade 2 in the district and sessions court at Port Blair, my lord. Now, my lord, when she was appointed, my lord, there are 2 posts of stenographer in Mayabandar, one stenographer grade 1 and one stenographer grade 2. Now, my lord, after the appointment of the petitioner was posted there, my lord, in the Mayabandar court for a period of 2 years. Now, my lord, I will show those 2 orders. Now, my lord, the petitioner from 2018.
Did you serve? Did you
Yes,
serve?
my lord. Yes, my lord. Served. I have filed affidavit of service also yesterday.
But then nobody is appearing. District and
My lord,
sessions judge, who appears usually?
My lord, Shivabalan appears, my lord, used to. My
Where
lord, there
is
is
he?
an extreme urgency, my lord. And I have filed affidavit of service also, my lord. Yesterday I have
Yes.
served and for. Now, my lord, this petitioner from 2018, she had multiple, my lord, multiple medical issues. There were several operations. Now, my lord, the moment this transfer order was issued, she has filed a representation before the respondent and narrated that these are the issues. All the medical documents were filed, my lord. Now, my lord, thereafter, my lord, one more order was passed whereby it said that she will be she has to report by 30th of June. Now, my lord, yesterday we have filed this writ petition, and after filing this writ petition, we received an order dated 22nd June 2026, wherein a one line, my lord, in response to your representation dated 17 June 2026, you are informed that your representation is considered and rejected. My lord, no reason was assigned, my lord. Now, my lord, I will show. Even her post is not there, my lord. Already the incumbent stenographer grade 2 is posted there. I will show her first transfer order, my lord. May kindly come to page number 20, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, 31st October 2017, in consideration of application dated so and so by stenographer grade 1. My lord, may kindly have a note of it. Stenographer grade 1. And with the view to overcome temporary vacuum in the so and so, stenographer grade 2 presently attached to the so and so is hereby transferred and posted to Maya Bandar. Now, my lord, for a specific period, my lord, that was if last paragraph, my lord will find 31st May 2018. My lord, thereafter it was extended. Next page. There was again, it was extended, my lord, and she remained there for near about 2 years, my lord. Now, my lord, the transfer order, if my lord sees the transfer order at page 45. 46, my lord. 45 is the seniority list. I am the junior most. If my lord sees this, this is with regard to grade 2, page 46, my lord. This is the transfer order. For the smooth functioning of the court and the administration of the so-and-so judgeship, considering the so-and-so, so-and-so. My name is appearing at serial number 2. From so-and-so to Maya Bandar. My lord, I made a detailed representation. Next page, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, may kindly see, my lord. I am just showing the medical grounds, my lord. May kindly see page 47, my lord.
From Port Blair, you've been transferred to Maya Bandar.
Maya Bandar. I already had been to Maya Bandar. Now, my lord, and there are stenographer grade 1 who were never transferred from Port Blair. Now, my lord, may kindly see ground number 2. I have gone through the following medical. She had a miscarriage also, my lord, when she was there. Leprosy. Then, my lord, these are the ailment. Even in 2024, she has gone this. And, my lord, practically, my lord, she is not in a position to travel, my lord. Thereafter, my lord.
But then she is to go to Maya Bandar and stay over there. It's not that she has to travel on regular basis.
My lord.
Mr. Vinukumar, the petitioner, she is not required to travel on regular basis. She'll go to Maya Bandar and stay over there, isn't it?
My lord, two things are there, my lord. Two things are there. Already I had been there. Secondly, I have medical ailment. The post is of grade 1. There are 3 grade 1 in Port Blair who were never transferred. Now, my lord, my grounds are there is no transfer policy. Secondly, already I had been to several medical ailment. My lord, when she was posted here, my lord, internally, she was assigned with 2-2 code. All orders are there. She was assigned before the High Court. From 2023 onwards, she has been assigned and she's working on the High Court whenever the circuit comes. All the orders I have enclosed. My lord, may kindly consider this aspect. My lord, otherwise I could not have, my lord. This is a fit case, my lord.
But then she is due to join on the 30th.
My lord.
29th, the bench will be there.
My lord knows first day, single bench and all, my lord. That's it. My lord, I am before. My lord, I am before, my lord.
The respondent is not here.
My lord, that's why I have filed affidavit of service, my lord. My lord, I was not at fault, my lord.
No, I understand you are not at fault, but then without hearing the respondent, and if the court work is hampered, the court has to keep this in mind, isn't it?
No, my lord, there is no question of my lord. My lord, 3 persons are already there. It is a post of grade 1, my lord. I am stenographer grade 2.
Yes.
I could have understand. I have never transferred there. Then definitely I could have understand, my lord. But my lord, those persons were never transferred.
Your transfer order does not say that it's a grade 1 transfer. It
no,
is
that's
not.
why. That's why, my lord, I have shown, my lord, page 20. When I was initially transferred as an adjustment against grade 1. And my lord, the representation which was considered in the manner, it only says your representation is considered and rejected. My lord, it's a state authority, my lord. They have to assign reason why these grounds which were narrated in my representation was not considered. Simply, my lord, one line.
All right, please come. None appears on behalf
Kindly
of
protect
the
my lord.
respondents despite service. Stop. The petitioner challenges the office order number 896 No, it is 40, page number
46, my lord.
46, office order number 583, dated 17th June 2026, transferring the petitioner,
And 18th June, my. Yes.
17 June 26, transferring the petitioner who is serving as stenographer grade 2 from the Court of Joint Civil Judge within brackets Senior Division Port Blair to the Court of the Chief Judicial Magistrate N&M, Andaman, Mayabandar. Stop. The petitioner the petitioner has been relieved from the respective station from her present place of posting on 19th of June 26, and 10 days time has been given. 10 days joining time has been given. Stop. The transfer order mentions that the same has been made in public interest. Stop. The petitioner immediately on 17th June 2026 filed a representation before the learned district and sessions judge, highlighting the medical grounds, the medical conditions that she is suffering from, which will make her difficult to perform duty at the transferred place of posting. Stop paragraph. Specific case has been made out by the petitioner that she had already served at Mayabandar in the year 2017, 18, when she, as grade 2 stenographer, performed the service of stenographer grade 1. Stop. The learned advocate for the petitioner submits that after filing of the writ petition, a communication by the district and sessions judge has been forwarded to the petitioner rejecting her representation against her transfer order. Stop. The said rejection is a mere one-line order. Stop. No reason for rejecting the prayer of the petitioner has been disclosed. Stop. Paragraph. The prayer has been made to grant interim protection to the petitioner. Stop. Paragraph. As now, it has also been submitted by the learned advocate for the petitioner that there is no transfer policy of stenographers. Stop. In the absence of a proper transfer policy, the petitioner ought not to have been transferred. Paragraph. The in the absence of the respondent, it is difficult for the court to adjudicate the issue effectively. Stop. The court is aware about the duties and responsibilities of a stenographer attached to a judicial forum. Stop. The petitioner has already Now, the petitioner's representation against the order of transfer has been rejected, comma. Let the reason for rejection of such transfer order be placed before this court on the 29th of June 2026 before the circuit bench available at Port Blair. Stop. The policy of transfer relying on which the transfer order has been issued shall also be placed before the court on the adjourned date. Stop. As an interim measure, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner for not joining her transferred place of posting till 3rd of July 2026 or until further order, whichever is earlier. Stop. List the matter on 29th of June 2026 before the available circuit bench.
My lord, one line, my lord, because she is
Learned
still
advocate
working.
for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order
My
to
lord.
the respondent. Where is she working? At Port Blair?
My lord, page 48. She is still working, page 48, my lord. Because that order, initial transfer order, thereafter it was extended up to 30th June. So she is working in the Court of Joint Civil Judge. Today also she is working, my lord. So she may be allowed to work, otherwise they will.
And the petitioner shall be permitted to work in accordance with the office order number 592 dated 18th of June 2026. Stop. By the said order, the petitioner is due to report to her new place of posting by 2nd July 2026. All right.
My lord, that has to be extended, my lord. There, after 30th,
It
she will
is
not be allowed.
third till 3rd, no coercive action will be taken. You can join till the 2nd of July and matter will appear on the 29th of June. So you
No, my
have
lord,
got enough breathing time.
No, my lord, that's fine, my lord. What I am on, my lord side, in terms of the order dated 592, dated 18 June. As per that order, it is only 30th June, my lord. What interim order, my lord, has passed till 3rd June. Till 3rd June, she may be allowed to work, my lord.
No. 29 and 30, you are there before the circuit bench at Port Blair. You
My
make
lord,
all
that
your
is there.
prayer. It will appear on the
No,
29th.
my lord, what I am on till 3rd, my lord, may protect.
It
till
will be
3rd, my
open
lord.
for the petitioner to pray for further interim order before the Honorable Circuit Bench on the 29th of June 2026.
My lord, oblige, my lord. Oblige.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, I have been instructed to appear on behalf of the state respondent. My lord, there was a direction for filing affidavit in opposition, but I have seen the records till date, no opposition has been filed by the state. My lord, I am praying for
The
some
writ
more time.
petition is of the year 2021.
My lord, I am praying for some more
Two
time.
pages, my lord, I just showed to your lordship. My lord, whatever, my lord, these petitioners are.
To be mentioned stage, what is to be done?
Let them file a report, my lord. Whatever judicial secretary is saying that we are entitled to get, my lord, pay scale at par, my lord, with other regular staff. My lord, we are the, my lord, stenographer and casual staffs of the, my lord, fast track courts throughout West Bengal. My lord, we are not getting, my lord, our salary, my lord, at par with.
No, today what is to be done?
Today, my lord, just, my lord, let them file a report, my lord. Can you take, my lord, one page, my lord, page.
My lord, there was a
763.
direction for filing opposition. I have seen the.
Lord, the judicial secretary is in our favor, but finance is not clearing that approval. Let them.
The money has to come from finance.
Let them
Judicial
file a-
secretary will not give the money.
Let them, my lord, file a report. My lord, otherwise, opposition and all
What
these
is it?
things will go.
What is the
Report file করে বলো না এটা। ফলে one page, my lord, can I have a look?
Acha, on the prayer of the learned advocate representing the state respondents, time to file the affidavit in opposition stands extended
My lord, 4 weeks.
peremptorily.
4 weeks.
4 weeks. For a period of 4 weeks. Reply, if any, within a fortnight thereafter, liberty to mention. It is made clear that in the event opposition is not prepared within the extended time limit, the writ petition will be decided on the basis of the documents already available on record.
As representing the High Court administration, we have filed an affidavit.
All right, if it is there, it's there. Next.
1, 2, Akshat.
One and two.
1 and 2. 2 is different.
One and two.
Oh, 1 and 2.
1 and 3.
Well, this is my application. Well, these matter relates to this matter relates to release of pension and benefit to the petitioner. My lord, till date they have cleared the pension and also provident fund dues. As regards the, I have nothing to say. Only the leave encashment, they are relying on a circular of the department saying that it cannot be extended right now. So, my lord, this matter was heard by your lordship for more than 12 days, and your lordship's pleasure was to stop the salary of the finance officer and the executive officer of the municipality. Now, on 26th of February of this year. Now, they have, my lord, the still date, the salary has been stopped. Now, they have made the payment as regards pension and the provident fund. To this, I have nothing to say. What I am on is this. Well, they should pay the pension regularly. And number two, I am paying
Please
some
come.
cost also. Regular
It has been brought to the notice of the court that the pension
My lord, kindly hear me,
and
my
the
lord.
provident fund
all-
dues of
my
the
lord,
petitioner
Last month pension also, my lord, paid, my lord.
has
That I have
been
said.
disbursed.
That I have said. My lord,
Till
nothing is,
Stop.
my lord, everything has been paid, my lord. My lord, I can show you. My lord, kindly hear.
Till date it has been disbursed.
My lord,
Stop. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the municipality regularly delays in
no, my lord.
disbursing his pensionary dues. Stop paragraph. As it has been brought to the notice of the court that as on date there is no due of the petitioner, accordingly there is no requirement of proceeding with the contempt application any further. Stop. The contempt application stands disposed of.
My lord,
The
so far as my salary was freezed by your lordship, my lord, let it be defreezed to employees.
the order of freezing of salary of the officers of the municipality stands recalled. Stop. In the event the petitioner has any further grievance, then it will be open for the petitioner to approach the court in a proper proceeding. Stop. The respondents shall make sure that the terminal dues, the pensionary benefit of the petitioner shall be released on timely basis.
Lordship.
Next.
My lord, I am led by Mr. Shrudeep Ghosh Chaudhary. My lord, this is a Group 2 matter and wrongly filed in Group 6.
Group 2 secondary, higher secondary what? Primary?
The higher secondary.
Secondary matter, my lord, it is a change brief, my lord, it's a transfer matter, hence, my lord, wrongly filed as under the heading group 6. So, my lord, kindly give me liberty to release the matter and liberty to mention before the appropriate board.
Make it not today.
Grateful, Your Honor.
সব ফাইল দেখবে নাকি? Yes, 5.
My lord, page 2, my lord. Page 2, para 8. It should be District Inspector of School, Paschim Medinipur. Page 2.
Anything else? Anything else?
Anything and last para 11.
Date of
retired.
All right, Pradeep. Next.
It's my lord. First page, my lord, cause title. Chaudhary spelling is wrong, my lord.
Spelling is wrong.
And my lord, second page, same date of retirement. Date of retirement.
All right. Seven, 8.
7 after the petition.
Yes.
My lord, in item 8, I'm led by learned GP, my lord.
Yes.
7.
Why appearing as to be mentioned?
My lord, I mentioned the matter, my lord.
What?
Your lord,
For what?
my lord, for inclusion of this matter, my lord, for urgent hearing because of the, my lord, second matter, my lord, which I have challenged a charge sheet, my lord. First
Alright.
matter is with regard to, my lord, non-consideration of my leave. My lord, what happened, my lord, my leave was, my lord, 111 days leave was, my lord, treated as extraordinary leave, my lord, without pay. My lord, I prayed that, my lord, it may be treated as medical leave because I have, my lord, medical leaves within my, my lord, account. And, my lord, there was a, my lord, may I place, my lord?
No, but then I'm not going to hear the matter.
My lord, the first matter, my lord, if
Let
your
it
lordship,
appear before the regular bench on Monday.
my lord, second matter, if your lordship may kindly consider, my lord, charge sheet.
Nothing. Go before the bench.
My lord, then
Place before the bench taking up group 6 matters on Monday.
on Monday, my lord.
29th.
Great, my lord. Oh, equal to them.
You come ready.
My lord.
Are you ready?
My today
No.
I'm not there because I have not received instruction yet, my lord.
Then you.
My lord, I'll be ready on the
next working day is Monday.
My lord.
Learned advocate for the state shall come ready with necessary instruction on the urgent date.
And my lord, till that time, my lord, I may not be coerced to, my lord, face the disciplinary proceeding. My lord, they have already, my lord, seeking a reply.
No mechanical order can be passed. Yes, next.
9, my lord, I appear for the petitioner led by Mr. Ujjwal, right?
I'm appearing on behalf of the respondent number 1 to 4. But I have been instructed to pay 2 weeks time.
For?
Because DG.
Right. I'll give you 4 weeks time. What will happen to the petitioner? Where will he go?
No, he have been already his no advance order is possibly passed against him.
No, that is because he still has time. But then, and the matter is pending. But then, will the interim order be extended?
DG is not available in his office daily. Accordingly, we cannot without his approval. No clarification or report can be filed. It is practical problem. Madam, I am leaving up to you.
No, it is you who have to take a decision. The court ought not to interfere because the petitioner is a doctor, possibly.
Yes.
Right? He has got certain medical emergent duties. Now, if the court suddenly stops him from joining the place of posting, then the patients will suffer. Some interim measure is to be taken from your side. He has already been relieved from his place of posting at Murshidabad. He has already come to Kolkata. Now he has again to go back to Murshidabad if he's supposed to join over there.
We may rethink about his posting order. What can I do?
It is you who have to take a decision. It is not for the court. The court is not the employer.
But DG is not available at present in Delhi. It is very practical difficulties.
If the
Without his-
DG is not available, somebody must be there in charge.
But it is DG's order. His written request written order is written
It is
approval is
his order. Somebody must be in charge who is going to discharge the duties.
That is true.
Then,
But this is my instruction.
no, your instruction will not do. Otherwise, I'll direct your officer to virtually remain present immediately.
But the order for transfer or cancellation already is passed by the commandant personnel of the Department of Personnel.
Cancellation.
My lord, page number 18, Lordship says.
Page number 33.
Yes, my lord,
Cancellation.
The personnel department, which is headed by another commandant, another DIG, another
Yes.
IG.
The commandant must be there. It is he who cancelled the order of posting. Why are you blaming the DG?
Yes.
He may be busy with other works. Why can't the commandant take a decision? It is he who cancelled it.
But as direction of the DG.
Let him speak to the DG and take a direction. It is not that the DG is not available over phone or anything of that sort. Nothing of the sort. Please come at 1 o'clock. Take a decision, come at 1. Passing it over till 1. Yes, next.
Thank you, Lord.
And there should be a positive instruction whether the petitioner is to stay here for the time being or he is supposed to return to Murshidabad till a decision is taken. He should not be kept in a vacillating state.
My lord, if my lord friend takes the instruction, my lord, I have my clients as also, my lord, they have, my lord, given the instruction that there are battalions, my lord, where it is permissible under the law that 2 doctors can work even for the time being. So I have got the name of the battalions.
2 doctor can work here, but what is going to happen over there?
There is also, my lord, another, my lord, assistant doctor of mine, because I was, my lord, the head doctor over
I
there.
do not know. The authority must be knowing.
My lord, all I'm just saying, my lord, I should not be punished for, my lord, for their not inability of submitting before your lordship any instruction or something. Because there are
Please
several
instruction and come back.
Great.
ঠিক আছে 14
I have got one division bench judgment on this particular point.
Where is your other side? Mr. Udayan Chakraborty, Mr. V.B. Agarwal.
Mr. Mulmuri.
Yes.
Because I have received the information, they have the instruction that they will on official duty with CLW.
He can retain me as RPF. When I am declared unfit for RPF,
There is already a decision which has been taken that you will be permitted to work without any firearms. Please take down.
My lord, kindly see the judgment.
What does the judgment say?
Commission-based judgment.
What does it say?
Commission-based change when he has been declared medically unfit and decategorized, then my lord, he will give an alternative appointment.
Alternative.
And till that date, Lordship, kindly see the judgment.
All right, all right.
Alternative office
The
And your Lordship, the
yeah,
been given alternative.
Lordship, kindly come to
clarification
the
provided by the
annexed.
Senior Security Commissioner / RPF,
Annexed.
CLW Chittaranjan, dated 24th June 2026, clearly mentions that the Divisional Medical Committee, considering the neurological and critical medical condition of the petitioner, has recommended that the petitioner should not be employed on running lines or near moving machinery and should avoid firearms. Stop. He should also never be detailed for train passing or running duties. Stop. The petitioner can be accommodated in duties at CLW/CRJ without any involvement of firearms, machinery, and running or passing of trains as per the aforesaid recommendation. Stop paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner insists that he cannot be permitted to function in the railway protection force and he ought to be provided an alternate job. Stop paragraph. All right. Let the respondents file an affidavit in opposition to the writ petition within a period of 6 weeks. Reply, if any, within a fortnight thereafter. Stop liberty to mention the matter for hearing.
No.
Let's have transfer order should be kept in abeyance.
No, sorry.
Go and
No, my lord.
do his official work. What is this one?
My lord, Lordship, kindly quote the judgment.
Cannot
I
be here for more than
take
10
down
years.
one line.
Kindly quote the judgment of
As
the division bench.
as the petitioner will not be required to now, as the respondent authorities have taken care of the petitioner's medical condition and is and will take and has taken a decision to allot him jobs which does not require handling of firearms. Accordingly, the prayer of the petitioner for stay of the transfer order for the time being is refused.
No.
Next.
Lord, item number 15, back to appear for the contempt. Lord, the chairman is personally present in person to your lordship's direction.
Which chairman? Chairman of
Municipality Municipality is personally present, and in the interregnum, my lord, an appeal was carried over by the private respondents, and honorable division bench have passed a limited stay order. We are on the process of demolition was going on in the interregnum, my lord, and interim order was passed.
Let me see.
My lord, this is the order, paragraph 16. My lord, paragraph 17, my lord. This order was passed on 22nd of June.
अच्छा
Yes, please.
Quite poor understanding of law. The appellate court order printed to say so, and also failed to apprise the law of the land because the court was putting very much.
Anyway, since you could not,
Your lordship kindly peruse the previous day, 19th order.
what is the use?
Your lordship wants,
I will not look at it because the division bench order will always prevail over the single bench's order. Then why will I look into that order?
Only one thing, my lord. Your lordship directed the municipality to do something in some way. But your lordship also aware, subsection 3 and 218 has referred that appellate right of appeal, but the honorable division bench has refused to look into subsection.
There no use mentioning that.
But one thing, your lordship, why I'm on how the municipality approach the division bench before admission of the appeal to pass an interim order.
All the submission to be made before the division bench. Why will this court hear?
But
if it is your inability,
there is no restraint order to take action against the the contender.
Yes, certainly.
Your lordship can proceed against
yes,
the
yes.
Admittedly, I am showing this in order to show that how he failed with the court's order.
Yes, I can understand.
But nowhere they have given the right by stretching the law of limitation and per the statute.
But it was not our appeal, it is an appeal of private respondent, my lord.
Yes, yes.
And demolition work is going on.
Let's finish. When the application was presented before the court, the learned advocate for the municipality insists the court to pass an order.
Certainly not, my lord. What my learned friend is making
order.
Yes, my lord.
Do not raise the voice,
No,
Mr.
my lord,
Chakraborty.
what my learned friend is, my lord.
Whatever he is submitting,
yes,
he has got a right to submit.
No,
You
no,
don't
he
raise
cannot
your voice.
He cannot miss
Order of November 23,
True, my lord.
even in June 26 is not complied.
True, my lord.
And you do not think
True, my
that your client will be able to wriggle out of the situation for
Cannot be,
contempt.
number of matters
Right?
are here, my
The
lord.
order
Cannot-
remains
cannot.
not complied and he will be taken to task.
My lord, but what my learned friend is making submission before
Let
the
him
court
submit. He
cannot,
has a problem.
cannot.
He is submitting. He is there before the court.
I was also there, my lord.
You are not there.
But in
You
the-
are deliberately trying to interfere with the
in the division bench, my
administration
lord,
of
no
justice.
submission was taken into consideration. So far, the municipality
Please,
is concerned.
Mr. Chakraborty, the court is aware.
Lordship,
And this is not the first time that this person is appearing before the court.
lordship.
I distinctly remember that he appears on regular basis and without complying the court's order.
My lord, at the same time, we are complying the order of the honorable court.
I
Otherwise,
can see
my
how you are complying.
to be landed in the, my lord, the four corner of the jail, my lord.
She
But
should
that is-
be.
that is, my lord, that is not. My lord, we are trying to comply, my lord, certain, my lord. But that,
Please come.
the division means
now, ঠিক আছে. Perused. The order dated 22nd of June 26 passed by the Honorable Division Bench in MAT. Copy. Stuff. The chairman is directed to file a report. File an affidavit explaining as to why proceedings against him shall not be drawn up under the Contempts of Court Act for not complying with the order passed by the court on 17th November 2023. Stuff. Let such affidavit be prepared and circulated by
demolition was going on. You know, 1 month time has been granted for preferring, my lord, the appeal in the civil court. Well, after that, lordship kindly decide the whole issue, my lord.
17th of July.
Well, 17th of July within this 1 month.
What have you got to do with the appeal? It is not your appeal.
At the same time, stay order is also there, so far the demolition is concerned.
The order is very clear.
Lordship.
You have to explain
Lordship.
as to why you did not comply the order within the time limit passed by the court. Order was passed in 23.
True, my lord.
Whether you demolish, you don't demolish, it is your matter. Whether you'll stay outside the
Till
prison
today.
or inside, that the court will decide.
Lordship.
All right.
Lots.
And,
Only, my lord, I'm beseeching, my lord, let the date
personal
be fixed
appearance?
after, my lord, that particular time is over.
Personal appearance will remain 30th of July.
Deeply applied. Deeply applied. Deeply. My lord, his personal presence, though not issued in contempt, my lord, and while hearing this matter, my lord, no shafina, no notice has been issued. Personal presence.
His presence has been recorded.
Sixteen, I think, not 17 to 16, only 16. My lord, I am for the contender number 1, my lord. Before start anything, my lord, I am tendering my unconditional apology for not being present on the last day because of my severe illness. Still now, I am just cough and issue is this, my lord, that my most respectful submission. So, my lord, kindly grant me to leave to file this affidavit on 16th April's order, my lord. This affidavit was directed to file by the chairman, my lord. I have served, my lord. My lord, issue is this, my lord. My lord knows by mistake 2 unregistered deed of conveyance. I have.
Are the contemners present?
Yes, my lord.
Who are they? What is the designation?
Chairman. It's ex-chairman, my lord. He has already given resignation. That's why I'm written over there ex office and ex-chairman, my lord. It's
2 contemners. Who are they?
no. One is a chairman. Proloy Chakraborty is a chairman of the municipality, and second is the private respondent, Shamol Mukherjee.
Second contender, my lord, is not present.
Has this order been communicated?
Yes,
to the
I have,
second?
my lord, personally communicated, my lord, by notice, my lord, I have communicated to the second contender.
Where is the affidavit of service?
The affidavit of service, my lord, in course of today, my lord, I will.
Is the track report there?
Yes, track report says intimation served, but kept on hold. They did not receive it.
Then it has not been received.
They have received.
Intimation delivered, item kept on hold.
Yes.
23rd. See, the order was passed on the 11th and you put it to post on the 18th.
But they have received. They have already intimation served.
But the court is not convinced with the service. Relying upon unregistered documents, the sale is being conducted.
I I came to know, firstly, while I received this contempt application, my lord, this is on the haste and the public pressure and community work. This is not my own property. Only to public pressure and public duty, I bow down to my lordship. I have purchased.
There is no law in the land. It is the public pressure which will be the law of the land.
Community, it's a community work.
Tell me under which provision of law with an unregistered power of attorney.
Milord, I
document the land
when I know, I immediately issued the letter to the register to cancel those documents. I know
it was there
after receiving this contempt application, milord.
It was the same stand taken when the writ petition was filed.
No. Milord, kindly come to the writ petition, milord. This is the land. It's only mentioned, milord. Only mentioned holding number 3. There is no mention the order of which has stayed, milord. Kindly come to page. It's not legible thing. Milord, kindly come to page once. Yes, kindly come to page 21 of the content application once. Here is the written only 3 holding number 8 Jayagatir pipeline. I have also annexed this letter to this application, milord. It's written, my lord. I am reading this. উপরোক্ত বিষয়ে 171 নম্বর বিষয় এসএন রোডের নর্থ 3 নম্বর হোল্ডিং নর্দমা পাইপলাইন ও রাস্তার জন্য এত টাকা পৌর তহবিলে জমা দেওয়ার জন্য 7 কাটা এত 6 বর্গফুট পৌরসভাকে এনগেজমেন্ট রেজিস্টার করে দেওয়া জানানো হচ্ছে. This letter has been stayed, my lord. Afterwards, my lord, all the property has been usually sold. Municipality, all the people came to me, and all the people are name has been recorded to the BLRR office. Unregistered deed has been registered. Unregistered deed on the basis of the unregistered power of attorney. All the
unregistered power of attorney, land is being sold.
Yes, my lord.
But I came to know, my lord, when I have received the contempt application on the 18th. Immediately, I immediately, my lord, I approached to my learned lawyer, my lord, and learned lawyer tell me to issue immediate notice to the cancellation for the ADSR.
When was this notice
This is notice,
served?
my lord, this is notice served on, my lord, it's a page, my lord, 7 of this, my affidavit, my lord, it's a 25th February 2025. And I have received, my office has been received 28/2/2025. I have discussed, I have opined to my 24th on 24/2, and immediately 25th/2/2025, I have written. Thereafter, I twice visit to the ADSR office, my lord, for accelerate the issue. They have told we will cancel immediately and we will communicate to you the cancellation of this thing. But as of now, no steps has been taken by them.
More than 1 year has passed.
Yes, my lord.
You are the chairman of the municipality.
Lord,
you communicate to the ADSR that these are fake and false documents.
Yes.
Please cancel. And the ADSR is not taking steps. Just imagine how much power you have.
No, I don't have any power, my lord.
Absolutely.
This is the only contempt within the last 15 years, my lord, before my lordships, my lord. There is no contempt against this municipality, my lord. I am appearing since from the 20 years for the municipality. This is the first contempt, my lord, and it is inadvertent mistake on the part of the contemptor, my lord, and that has been already written to the my lord, registered to cancel the thing. I am bow down to my lordship to pass necessary order for cancellation of the deed.
My lord, this is intentional.
My lord have the.
This is the order. They have already knowledge. Your lordship have already held that they have filed an affidavit. Your lordship's order, my lord.
The earlier order I can distinctly remember. This is the same submission that was made.
Your lordship directed the contemptor, my lord, to issue an use an affidavit. In the affidavit, they have, my lord, disclosed that documents is unregistered. Power of attorney is unregistered. They have. Your lordship have recorded it.
No.
Get a copy of this affidavit.
This is with
Today's affidavit.
No.
Affidavit.
My lord, this is in.
See, it is the same thing that is mentioned.
No.
That the document power of attorney is false and fabricated. He knows it very well.
No.
Even
My lord, I don't know. On the haste I have done, my lord. On the haste I have done because of the, my lord. Everyone is pressuring to take some drainage, sewage for the community purpose because all the lands has been sold. Plotting has been done by the private respondent, my lord. Contemptor number 2, my lord. What can I do? Every public pressure has been putting to me, my lord.
Public pressure.
Because of public pressure, he'll go and do things which is
private
absolutely
pressure means
contrary
those
to law.
were the purchaser, my lord. I intend to say those were the purchaser.
How can the land be sold? Forget purchaser.
Yes.
First thing first. How can the land be sold?
3 quotas.
And you treat them as purchasers.
My lord, 3 quotas, 8 chotak lands have been sold, my lord. I tendering my apology on behalf of the contemptor by mistake, my lord.
Not by mistake.
By mistake.
You are the chairman. You are serving as the chairman of the municipality. I can understand the quantum of
I bow down to my
notes
lordship
that have transferred.
My lord, here and now direct the registered to make them party to register and cancel it immediately.
Yes. So you want to shift the burden upon the ADSR.
ADSR
cancelled.
No, my lord, this is also the fact that how ADSR without looking into the registered document.
Yes.
How?
You did it. Now you shift the burden as to how he did
I
it.
sign it. I only sign it in the document, execute. I have not seen it, the unregistered power of attorney.
Without seeing you sign, the more you submit, the more you'll fall in trouble.
Public officer.
My lord,
the more you open your mouth,
on the
the
part
more
of the contemptor number 1,
things will become for you.
My lord, it's a purely a mistake, my lord. Purely mistake, my lord. On the haste, on the heavy haste, it has been done, my lord.
For the purpose of filing.
20th February 2023, your lordship's order. Internal page 3.
I can see internal
Second paragraph.
page 3.
Yes. Second paragraph.
Where the he filed an affidavit that the general power of attorney is not registered. So
he was present.
Direction not upon me, my lord.
He was present.
It's upon the contemptor number 2, my lord. It's not upon me, my lord.
You were aware of this order where it is recorded that the general power of attorney is not
there are
registered.
huge property. There are, my lord, kindly see the list of the writ application kindly. There are huge properties over there. My lord, kindly come to writ petition number, second writ petition, my lord, at page 77, my lord. How can I identify which property is within or not, my lord? How can I know, my lord? Power of attorney not been produced before me while I am registering, my lord. On a oath, I can say, my lord.
There is a direction upon the municipality in the writ court.
Yes.
By which
Writ
you have
court.
been restrained from giving any effect and or further effect to the
Holding
impugned
number,
notice.
my lord, kindly come to the notice.
25th of
Kindly
July,
come to the notice once, my lord.
2022.
Yes, yes, my lord. Kindly come to the notice once, appearing at page. What has been written over there? Kindly come to page, my lord. Kindly page 21 of the contempt application. May I read, my lord?
22,92,255 you collected.
No.
Yes, yes.
I have. This is the pipeline and road. জমা দিতে বলা হয়েছে. I have not collected. জমা দিতে বলা হয়েছে. You have to deposit.
Has it
I
been
have not.
deposited?
Yes, yes.
Has it been deposited?
Deposit করেছি.
Yes.
Deposit
Officially.
এবং deposit.
You think that
Milord,
it has not been done?
no.
And it is not
On
22.
the basis of Milord,
There are several zeros behind it.
Yes.
Milord,
What does he do? What does the chairman do? What is his occupation?
his occupation.
No, let him file, my lord, the affidavit of assets.
What does he do?
With chairman is ex-chairman. Nothing doing.
How does he have his food?
কি business আছে? Car business, Milord.
How can it be? I understand things. Right?
Lord, it's a clear. I can submit before my lordship, my lord. I bow down to my lordship.
The erstwhile chairman of Bhadrashar Municipality is personally present in court. Stop. An affidavit has been filed by him. Stop. It is plainly evident that the act of the chairman is in violation of the direction passed by the court on 20th February 2023. Stop. Despite restrained order passed upon the municipality not to give any effect and or further effect to the impugned notice directing deposition of a sum of rupees 22,92,255 for infrastructural development, the municipality proceeded to collect the said amount. Stop. The land in question where the infrastructural development is alleged to be done is a private property. Stop. The municipality, relying upon unregistered power of attorney,
not municipality, private,
proceeded with the sale of the subject lands. Stop. The municipality even mutated the property in the name of the purchasers. Stop.
No, mutation has not been done, my lord. No mutation has been done, my lord.
Mutation is state. You have state and they have.
What happened to that pending suit? It is still pending.
Yes, yes.
Challenging those deeds, my lord. Power of attorney. Challenging the power of attorney, my lord.
Acha. The paragraph there. Has the infrastructural work been done?
No work.
Then what is the money being doing? What are you doing with the money?
They are holding.
Fund a hold for us.
The fund
In
has
whose
been-
account?
Yes.
In whose account?
In whose account?
Acha. It has been brought to the notice of the court that the infrastructural work, that the money which was collected for infrastructural development has been kept on hold, and the infrastructural work has also not been done. Stop. A civil suit in between private parties is pending consideration. Stop. What is the order that you are wanting in the contempt?
Well, in the contempt, my lord, this deed, what has been done, my lord, this deed, my lord, is beyond the civil suit. This particular deed, my lord, is unregistered power of attorney, my lord. I want, my lord.
When was this deed executed?
My lord, this deed executed, my lord, in 2024.
2000. I show you, my lord. It's executed, my lord. 31st 4/24, my lord. 31st 1st 24.
That means after the court passed
Yes,
order.
yes, after the court passes order.
The deeds executed. The signature of the municipality chairman is there?
Yes.
Yes,
Which
my lord.
page?
Yes. Is this.
Which page?
My lord, kindly come to page. It's a 32, my lord. It's a signatures. 32 signatures and what? One is 31, one is 52, I think.
From page 43 to 51, in all pages, signature of chairman is there.
And under which authority did he sign?
Or he's holding as
Chairman, Bhaddeshwar Municipality.
He is neither the purchaser nor the seller.
Or he is the purchaser. Chairman.
Municipality is the purchaser. Anjali Gunta, the deed executed by the chairman of the municipality, claiming himself to be the purchaser of the property. The deed numbers.
Lord, deed number, my lord, I for you, my lord, it's a first deed is, my lord.
Page 61.
No. First
There
deed
are
is
several deeds.
Two deeds, my lord, are there. Page 61 is on one deed.
এক minute. Page 41 and 61, my lord.
Please give the deed numbers.
Yes. Deed number is being numbered, my lord.
Page
06. My lord will find in my affidavit, my lord. First paragraph, deed numbers. In my today's affidavit, my lord.
060 400 208. For the year
And 209.
2024.
And 209. Next one is 209.
And 209 of 2024.
24.
Page 41 and 61.
41 and 61.
And where are the 41 and 61?
Registered before ADSR Chandanagar.
Shagota Tarofdar, Additional District Sub Register Office, ADSR Chandarnagar.
Are absolutely bad in law, and no effect shall be given to the same by any of the parties. That's next. And what is the land used for?
Used for, it's a community work and community for drainage, sewage and road. It's only.
This is a private land, my lord. Now, my lord, is the nexus between the private respondent and the chairman, and they have planned to make plotting of this.
No, no,
by
no.
making
It's not.
fraudulent document.
No, no. Why I
Now,
came to cancel this? If I have an access with the
now
contempt
this
number 2 private
FIR
access.
lost. Now this power of attorney
Don't
was
say
also
like this,
examined.
my learned senior friend.
Examined
Don't
and
say like
the police after examination have held that this is absolutely a fraudulent document. They have already examined the criminal case also pending. In the meantime, they have tried to sold other properties also.
Other
That is-
properties
yes,
apart
yes.
from this?
Yes, there are 90 cutters, entire land is there. Before and
chairman is
70
not doing
cutters,
anything.
they sold
After
it.
this.
After your lordship's order, they have sold again 20
The
cutters.
contempt number 2.
But then those are not the subject matter.
Those are not the subject matter of the
All right.
Municipality.
Very well.
Municipality
Take it.
purchase.
Shall not be given effect to. The affidavit be written with the record, the
No,
content
your lordship,
application
set aside the deeds.
shall not be given effect to.
Set aside, my lord. Set
Your lordship,
aside,
set
set aside,
aside.
my lord.
That will give rise to other problems. I will not
But,
disclose what.
Civil suit pending
আচ্ছা,
আছে না ওইটা? এইটাকে ডেবিট না দিতে
the
তাহলেই তো হয়।
present chairman of the municipality or any person in charge of the municipality and the petitioner shall communicate this order to the concerned ADSR for taking immediate note of the same. Contempt application stands disposed of.
My lord, another contempt, my lord, he is the main culprit. My lord,
Yes.
he should be punished.
He should
Lord,
be punished.
He should be punished, my lord.
Well, he
He
should be
should be
punished. He's
punished.
scot free.
In that
Beyond
case,
the back of everything, he is
in
doing
that
something.
case, do one thing that I am not convinced with the service. You have to serve.
I will again serve.
My lord,
Do
let,
one thing.
let the
Let this order, let the learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve the contempt number 2 afresh and file affidavit of service on the urgent date. Stop. Let a notice be served in the office of the learned government pleader. Specific instruction from the which ADSR will it be?
it's a Chandanagar ADSR.
ADSR Chandanagar,
Hooghly.
Hooghly. Is there 1, 2 or anything?
No.
Only one is.
ADSR Chandanagar Hooghly to file a report before
My
this
lord,
court
kindly name
as
is
to
there,
whether
my lord.
as to whether steps in compliance of the direction passed herein above
Lord,
has been taken or not.
Lord, who has registered, my lord, name is there, my lord. Shogota Tarafdar.
ADSR?
Yes, name is
নামটা
there,
লিখে
my
দিন
lord.
তো, নামটা লিখে
এই যে
দিন।
name spelling টা একটু দেখে নিন। Shogota Tarafdar নিচে।
Released 30th of July 30.
My lord.
Great.
30th July. Are you there?
Well, it's Aparna Banerjee, led by myself, my lord, on behalf of the government respondent, my lord. You can also direct.
No, but then this is not a writ matter. This is a contempt.
Yes, my lord.
Let notice be served. Specific instruction. Letter appear. I do not have an issue. But instruction should come from the ADSR as to how this could be done.
Lord, let the
Followed. And the
dispense with-
contempt number 2 shall remain personally present on the said date.
Lord,
Contempt number 1 also will remain present. Both the contemners.
my lord, let the contempt number 1 be dispensed with, my lord.
No, on the next day, let him come. Next.
Last occasion they pressed for 1 week time for compliance. So on 11 June plus on 10 June they serve a notice upon the petition.
Well, may I file my compliance report? I am explaining. What type of submission is being made? My lord, my engineer is present, my lord, personally, and this is my compliance report. My lord, may goes to page 10 first of your lordship's order. I'm explaining what compliance is done.
The assistant engineer Shubir Ghosh.
He's present. No. Sir, he is retired. Now he is present engineer.
Who? Shubir has retired.
Shubir has retired. Now he is the.
But then the direction was upon Mr. Shubir Ghosh to remain present
Shubir
with
Ghosh,
an affidavit of
I have-
compliance. This is what the order has been recorded.
But Shubir Ghosh's name has to be changed. in any manner, my lord.
The order was passed in 2023. Thereafter, when the contempt was filed, Shubir was present.
Now, my lord, explaining the, may I page 10, my lord. Page 10. What type of submissions are being made? Page 10, last paragraph, my.
Yes.
Your lordship's order.
Hmm.
The writ petition is according, my lord, got it.
Yes, yes.
The writ petition is accordingly disposed of with direction the respondent or 4 being the assistant engineer to consider and dispose of the representation made by the petitioner strictly in accordance with law after giving an opportunity of hearing to all the necessary parties, including the petitioner within a period of 3 months from the date of communication of the order of copy of the order. The respondent shall pass a reasoned order and communicate the same to all the parties, including the petitioner, immediately thereafter. My lord, a spot inspection shall be conducted. Next page. Nature and extent of unauthorized construction. In the event the aforesaid respondent is of the considered opinion that the construction has been made either in violation of the planned sanction or devoid the sanction plan.
Yes, yes.
Madam, next page.
What have you done?
Madam, saying, next page. Date 9/6/26. Joint inspection has been fixed. Both of them were informed.
The notice
Listen,
Well, let
one
me say, please.
1 minute. The order that you read out was passed in September 2023.
My lord.
And the notice you give in 2026. What were the officers doing for the last 3
Firstly,
years?
this person has joined.
He may have joined. What about Shubir Ghosh? What
Ghosh?
was he doing?
That he is not my control, then I have to.
When did he retire?
2025.
And he was there when the order was.
My lord.
It is he who ought to have complied with the court's order.
My lord. But who is present?
And that is exactly the reason why the
My lord.
Shubir Ghosh was rejected.
But
Now,
now,
the 23 order, you show compliance in June 26. 9th of June 26.
inspection is done
Imagine.
by him.
Yes.
Hearing is done, reason order has been passed, and the building is being demolished. Even today, demolition is going on.
Nothing has been done.
But let a special officer go. Let a special officer go, my lord. Then
Let him submit, Lordship. I will show the Lordship the notice.
even today, demolition চলছে এখন। even and it will continue for 1 month.
1 minute. On inspection, it is found that the partly constructed G+2, G+3 heads.
At 3rd floor without any sanction.
Club hall.
3rd floor is absolutely without any sanction.
lord.
And G+2?
G+2 and G+3 along with tier room at 3rd floor. They're both of them.
Both of them means there are 2 buildings.
No, G+2 and G+3 are without sanction. Right?
That means ground floor is sanctioned, 1st floor is sanctioned.
Ground or 1st floor sanction.
What does this mean?
No, it was an old building. G+1 is an old building. It was a very old building.
2 separate structures.
Joint structure. That's why Lordship they noted that G+2 plus G+3.
One is G+2 and the other is G+3. And they are connected.
Now our second is that both the party present. He does not know. My learned friend does not know.
I will show the present.
At the time of inspection, and both of them, their signature in inspection attendance sheet. Next is the signature in the attendance sheet. Next page. Thereafter, my lord, hearing has been done. Hearing, all of them were present. That hearing sheets are being annexed. Thereafter, my lord, order, final order is passed 21, page 21, annexure R6. 22 is the reasoned order. Demolition.
1 minute. You give the notice on the 9th.
No, Lordship, 10th.
10th.
It has been signed on 10th.
9th is the notice I can see.
Signature.
And here the inspection is fixed on the 10th. Immediately next day. Right.
And they were present.
And
they have signed, my lord. They have signed.
10th, last occasion I also submit before your Lordship on 10th after 4 p.m. they came and 4
they have signed it.
Yes, on 10th.
Yes,
Thereafter, my hearing was given.
Hearing was given on the 10th itself.
10th itself, and they appeared.
Let them show
We have not, because it is a content matter, we have not delayed. He has not delayed.
He has not delayed does not mean that
I am not defending that previous person also.
No, the steps that are required to be taken, you have to give a minimum notice period. Today, 4 o'clock, you give notice, tomorrow, 10 o'clock will come. the private party will definitely go to the forum and say that, see, there has been violation of the principle of natural justice. That means you are indirectly trying to support
Thereafter,
the
demolition is
constitution.
being continuing. Page 24. Page 24, demolition is continuing. After that, 23/6/2026, demolition is going on. Today also demolition is going on. My lord may send a special officer.
Yes, Lordship. My client is there, Lordship, just.
A special officer may go.
Not a single brick has been, Lordship, demolished by the.
Let a special officer go. Demolition is going on.
There should be a limit of that.
Demolition is going on.
Yes, today also.
Listen, Mr. Banerjee, do not believe your clients. Just
No, I have told them they continue the demolition.
listen, page 24. Please see. The date of demolition is on and from 23rd. That means today is the date. What
No,
did you say that-
today is 25, my lord.
Yes, that means day before yesterday it just started.
Yes.
Within 2 days, how much could have you have demolished?
Demolition.
How much could you have demolished?
I can go a video call also, so they can show that demolition is going on. Let everything may be clear. I am also on that. And it will continue for 1 month as I saw, because it will not, it will take some time. Huh?
I'll show you, Lordship, photograph.
Nothing.
Yes.
Newspaper.
Nothing.
No, demolition is going on, that if your lordship wants,
How much it has been demolished?
that I have to ascertain, madam.
Extent.
Madam, fix it at next week. I will ascertain and say. I will ascertain.
Tell your client to send photographs. Just now.
With Lordship, newspaper, I have asked.
Newspaper is different. On spot, what is the photograph? Let it be sent. I am passing it over. Let your client remain. Call the next one. Even you bring photographs.
Yes, yes. I'm saying.
Yes.
When it will be taken up, madam?
Just now it will be taken up. Just wait.
The last occasion, my lord, the Milord directed.
Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat was directed to remain present personally in court.
Hello.
Item 19 call.
Order has not been complied.
Not been complied because Miller, the alleged contemptor noticed, but due to the situation, she could not hold the meeting.
She could not hold the meeting means?
Because both parties were involved in quarrel and etc. Therefore, the meeting could not be held on that day.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly peruse this. Notice was served to the alleged contemptor on 15/5/24, and she issued the notice for hearing on 29th July 24.
Yes.
Thereafter, she could not hold the second meeting.
Why? Because of quarreling.
They were both parties were not in position to.
One party is complaining against the other. Do you think they will have a very good relationship? They will quarrel.
The
That
Panchayat office, they
will. That is the way how it works out.
Lordship.
You are the Pradhan. What have you done?
Pradhan is present here.
So it is you who will make submission. I'm going to not hear the Pradhan because you are here.
Lordship.
Yes. What is the submission? Is she the Pradhan still now?
Yeah.
Is she the Pradhan still now? She is the Pradhan still now?
Pradhan still now.
What, did you get the notice of hearing?
We attended the first, when the meeting was held, we attended that.
You attended, thereafter no steps taken.
No.
Final order passed.
Final order
come.
should not be passed.
The Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat. What is her name?
Pompa Mollik.
Pompa Mollik is personally present in court. The order passed by the court on 2nd April 2024, alleging illegal and unauthorized construction. Alleging Directing the Pradhan. The order passed by the court on 8 Tarike directing the Pradhan to deal with the allegation of illegal and unauthorized construction has not been complied with till date. Stop. A photocopy of a notice dated 29th of July 2024 and a copy of the resolution book. Undated copy.
Undated.
Has been placed before this court in support of the submission that a hearing was conducted but both the private parties started fighting amongst themselves at the time of hearing, for which no decision could be taken by the Pradhan. Stop paragraph. Such submission of the Pradhan cannot be accepted by the court. Stop. The Pradhan was duty bound to comply the order that has been passed. Stop. Hearing of the contempt application stands adjourned till 30th July. Stop. Let,
in the meantime,
an affidavit of compliance be prepared and circulated prior to the adjourned date. Take steps to comply. Personal appearance of the Pradhan stands dispensed with for the time being. Did you file your Wakalatnama?
হুজুর নমস্কার আমাদের ভোকাল লসিক হয়
As
Grateful.
Or 20 of the petition. Well, after passing the order, the Pradhan Malad communicated that if your lordships direct demolished, then demolished. These are illegalities, unauthorized construction, 6 feet the height of the boundary wall.
did you deposit the special messenger cost?
Already the special message.
The rule could not be served because you did
The
not
rule contempt not appeared.
Contempt not appeared.
Contempt not appeared.
But then the second fresh rule was directed to be served on 7th of May 2026.
This order was communicated by the contemptor. In the meantime, I'll find this.
No, I do not want to see the order. There is already a direction for issuance of rule on 7th May. Please come. Peruse the report of the Assistant Registrar within bracket man numbers 2.
14th
signed on 23rd of June 2026. It appears therefrom that the contempt rule could not be served as the petitioner did not deposit the special messenger cost.
Solomona filed on 14th of May 2026. The rules, the rule issued as such, that deposited on 14th May 2026. 7th May, your lordships pass an order and
Yes.
deposited.
Because there is nothing. I do not know where it has been. Check up from the department. As a learned advocate for the petitioner submits that 7th of May 2026.
And deposited on 14th.
No, Tolobana will not do. Special messenger cost has to be
Special
served.
messenger cost along with Tolobana because the rule issued.
I can see the Tolobana rupees 5 is there. And 2 copies of the contempt, but the cost has not been submitted. It is there. আর ওটা লেখার দরকার নেই কারণ রেকর্ডেই আছে আচ্ছা the returnable date of the rule stands extended till 30th July. Stop. The special messenger cost shall be put in at once.
My lord, item number 21, my lord, I beg to appear for the contempt applicant, my lord, the writ petitioners, my lord. My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship was pleased to call for the appearance of the chairman of the Khordha municipality, my lord. Paragraph number 4, my lord.
Subject to your lordship's kind consideration, I already prepared affidavit.
Where is the chairman of the municipality?
Well, he is bedridden.
Bedridden?
But he is fallen in an accident in his residential house. He is not to come in the court. My lord, I have already prepared the affidavit of compliance, but it was not affirmed due to his accident. My lord, it is my prescription, my lord, the prescription of the kindly to Joseph.
Let me see. Only to avoid coming to court, he falls down in the house.
Well, in the morning, my lord.
Yes, in the morning. Immediately he falls down. And this is the prescription that you are relying.
Yes.
Can anything be read?
My lord,
can anything be read?
Well, it is supplied.
I do not have X-ray eyes. Sorry, sir. If you can read, it is up to you. But
then,
I cannot.
Then I have to, my lord, produce original, my lord, nothing but that. My lord, one thing, my lord, I have already passed the reason order. The structure was not sanctioned by the municipality. I was already handed over. এটা এফিডেভিটটা দেবো কি করে? এফিডেভিট তো অ্যাফার্মই হয়নি, আমি এফিডেভিটটা দেবো কি করে? মানে it is
Learned advocate representing the chairman of Khordha municipality
kindly see
submits
my
upon
instruction
that
kindly see my instruction
that the chairman is not in a position to appear before the court as he has suffered an accident and is undergoing medical treatment. He has broken his any of his bones?
No.
Not yet.
He's aged.
Go and break it. That will save him from coming here. Now I'll direct the police to bring him over here.
He is bedridden, my lord. It is.
And how long will he remain like that?
My lord, kindly, my lord, next date.
Next date.
Next date, my lord. In the meantime, I tried to affirm this affidavit of compliance, and it's a reason order. That was.
Lord, I have been given an advance copy of the affidavit of compliance, my lord. I don't know whether a copy has been given to your
No,
lordship.
it cannot be. It's an advance copy, you say, because it has not been affirmed, says.
Kindly see this.
No, I won't see anything. Release the matter for further consideration on 30th of July.
4 weeks.
30.
Lord, kindly
30th of July. More than 4 weeks. Today is 25th.
Lord, kindly keeps a shorter date, my lord, because what?
Acha. 30th of July 2026. Stop. The affidavit of compliance. Now, advance copy of the affidavit of compliance has been served upon the learned advocate for the petitioner.
My presently, my personal appearance be dispensed with. My personal appearance be dispensed.
My lord,
his
Lord, if you lordship
my
kindly
health
takes
condition
up
is
the-
not good, my lord. My lord, subject to lordship kind consideration.
Item 22. Fast.
দেখি বলেছো personal appearance.
The ear is not present because his daughter is critically ill and he is in Coimbatore right now. For his ground, kindly make it not today.
Yes. Please give.
Lordship affidavit of compliance.
But I am for the contempt number 1. My client is present.
Who is one?
I am for the 1. This is present.
One is, what is the designation?
Pradhan.
And two?
Two secretary.
Secretary.
For the compliance report, your lordship can see page 17.
Compliance of the?
Your lordship's order was to dispose of the representation. My client has done overact. Kindly see the last order.
Advocate and record of both the parties are the same. 1 and 2. And which compliance is for?
Same. Most probably same.
Who has briefed you? Who has briefed you? 1 or 2?
1.
What is the name of your client?
Anita Kormokar. Page 17, my lord, see, your lordship order to dispose of the representation.
Yes.
And that is the
page 17.
Yes.
The Mebona Saja Adesnama. Now, what is done on your Rossi kindly see also after rule was issued, what she has done, page 21, 3rd June 2026. In the order, it decided it says that construction, that entire building was illegal. No plan was sanctioned. Thereafter, he's a handicapped person, my lord. Now, respondent was that accused, respondent was 10. Now he has died. Now, what has
Accused,
done?
this is a read proceeding. Who is accused over here?
Not accused, but they have written the accused. But he made that he is the owner of the property, and that he is now dead. Or what he has done, after passing the order, my client has done another, issued another notice, page 21.
Yes.
Page 21, 3rd June 2026. After,
Yes.
obviously, after rule was issued.
Yes.
But this is an illegal construction, you demolish it. Otherwise, the Pradhan will demolish it. Pradhan has no power to demolish the building. If it is a illegal construction, Pradhan will send the matter to the subdivision officer. He will pass the demolition order. And he has done other thing. That notice has been issued, 3rd June 2026. The entire construction is illegal.
When was the construction made?
25 years ago.
25 years ago?
That is on page 17. Mohamano Kolkata, yes, I'm reading. Mohamano Kolkata High Court, 1st May 2024. তারিখে আদেশ অনুযায়ী শ্রী শাসমল পিতা সাচান স্যার তারিখের মৌজার 1321 নম্বর দাগে বাড়ি নির্মাণ বিষয়টি খতিয়ে দেখতে 25/3/2025 তারিখে বেলা 12টায় স্পট ইন্সপেকশনে যাওয়া হয়। সাথে ছিলেন গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের সচিব, নির্মাণ সহায়ক ও দাসপুর থানার আধিকারিক। আবেদনকারী দিলীপ শাসমল ও প্রতিপক্ষ শরৎ কুমার দুজনে 1321 নম্বর দাগ।
Did you serve a copy of this compliance
Yes,
of the
yes,
petitioner? When?
We
Now?
have got the petitioner, a copy of the compliance report as well, but the AOR is not present. That's why he disputed the compliance report. He instructed me to convey the learned court that he has something to say about the compliance report. He disputed.
Affidavit of compliance filed in court today by the contemners. দুটো আছে. Be taken on record. Staff accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Release the matter on 30th of July. It will be open for the petitioner to file exception to the compliance report prior to the adjourned date. Step. The presence of the contemners stand dispensed with for the time being. Are both of them present?
Present.
For the time being, it is dispensed with. Let us see. Call the next one. Huh?
But I am appearing for the alleged contemner and she is present in the court.
But it's a law order dated 28th of February 2024. It was duly communicated, Your Lordship. They received it, but no compliance. Your Lordship
Tell her
directed that
not to
Pradhan.
stand like this. Please tell her.
They have not
Order has not been complied.
My lord, I have already taken steps on 23rd.
What steps?
I have
What steps have you taken?
all the parties I have called for on 30th June, they will come before me,
The order was passed when?
2024.
Now it is which year?
I take unconditional.
And there was a time limit mentioned in the order within which it had to be complied,
3 months.
right? Now what is to be done with the contemner?
That was the joint property, somehow missed.
We do not want to know what it was. There is a court's order and it is to be complied.
Yes, my lord.
What is to be done with the contemner now?
Kindly consider my points, my lord.
Which point?
At that time, I was not the Pradhan. Subsequently, I became the Pradhan.
When did you become the Pradhan?
Pradhan? 2023.
The order was passed
Construction was
when?
started. Yes, my
Order
lord.
was passed when?
2024.
You were not the Pradhan.
But-
You will not act as Pradhan. Please come. The order passed by the court on 20th of February 2024 has not been complied with till date. The Pradhan is personally present in court. in response to the contempt rule, stop. It appears that the Pradhan does not have the minimum knowledge as to how to deal with the orders passed by the court. Stop. She is also unaware of the provisions of the act under which she is to perform her duties. Stop. Paragraph. Under such circumstances, the court is directed to compelled to direct the subdivisional officer of the concerned area to consider the issue of unauthorized construction as raised by the petitioner in accordance with law. Stop. A compliance report by the subdivisional officer shall be placed before this court on the adjourned date 6th of August 2026. Stop. The secretary, Department of Panchayat and Rural Development is directed to take a decision on the functioning of the petition of the contemner as Pradhan of the Gram Panchayat. এর আগের সপ্তাহে না বেশ কিছু
রাধানগর তারানগর গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েত
এই ধরনের প্রিন্সিপাল সেক্রেটারির উপর অর্ডার আছে, সেই অর্ডারটা করে দেবেন তো প্রিন্সিপাল সেক্রেটারি। Your client is not required to act. All right. The principal secretary will take steps against her. How many personal appearances are there? 24. No.
My lord, I am for the contemner. The district inspector of Birbhum is personally present here.
Where? Yes.
My lord, order has already been complied. We have issued a pension sanctioning order under Part 4, and accordingly, the pension payment order has also been issued.
When?
We have not been served.
No, will be served. May I hand over, my lord?
Yes. 12th of November 25.
January 2029, 12 weeks. Then your lordship 25.
Give a copy to him, please.
Copy to din ekta. PPO copy to daw na ekta.
Shahadev Das.
No, 8th October থেকে করে। No. From 8th October, this effect was given.
23rd of June 2026, this has been issued. Possibly this has not received by your client. Possibly it has not been received because it is issued only on the 23rd.
Because your lordship issued rule, thereafter they are compliant.
I can follow. Copy of the pension payment order, EPPO, issued on 23rd June 2026. Handed over in court today. Is taken on record.
No payment has been made.
That will be made by the treasury.
Petitioner, learned advocate for the
Treasury আপনাকে যেতে হবে না?
his client has not yet received a copy of the same. Stop. Not
I'm handing over today. I'm handing over.
been disbursed in her favor, in his favor. Yeah, just stop. What is the name of the DI?
Gautam Haldar.
Acha, he is personally present in court. DI, which place?
Birbhum.
Secondary?
Secondary education.
Secondary. His personal appearance stands dispensed with. Release the matter for further consideration on 23rd of July. In the meantime,
Payment be made.
There may be other formalities you comply.
Yes, he has to go to treasury. The Aadhaar and bank account has to be linked.
In the meantime, the petitioner shall contact with the concerned treasury officer for releasing payment after compliance of all necessary formalities. Give a copy to him.
I'm giving. And
In
one
case
more.
it is not given, please mention or do one thing. Make a photocopy and give it to him.
My lord, one thing, my lord.
But দুটোই দিয়ে দিন।
My lord, one thing, my lord, this honorable court has issued a subpoena which is having a force of warrant that may be recalled, my lord.
Why?
Subpoena has been issued.
Right, subpoena will be issued. The right now, he is not required to appear. His
Right.
personal appearance stands to be dispensed with,
Right.
but the matter is made returnable. And in case the money is not disbursed, or in
Right.
case there is any difficulty, he may be required to appear here again.
My lord.
No further
ওই তো দিচ্ছে
let
তো
the
উনি।
Eight lordship, I will place the photographs at two lordship. We have one for lordship.
You get it?
Got it, madam.
All right. I have a division bench. I'll rise for 1 minute and I'll come back just now. Only because the matter is fixed today, yesterday they supplied copy. Mr. Nayak.
It was on mentioning, it has come up, lordship.
Yes, yes. You have noticed it, and that is the reason. Please come. Affidavit in opposition. Where is the original? Where is the original? The original ta di. 2 copies are there? Kota copy dilo? Affidavit in original. Affidavit in opposition filed in court today. Be written with the records. Stop. Reply. It will be open for the review applicant to file reply to the same within a fortnight. All right. And then liberty to mention.
Lordship, you kind enough to fix the matter after 2 weeks. Better.
What? You prepare and then mention, we'll fix a date.
Yes.
Check up whether you want to proceed with the review or not, or what. Take a decision. Liberty to mention. All right.
After such is your strenuous effort. Strenuous
I'll come back with a single bench just now.
Before my lord, my senior my lord says the instruction, my lord, I have already taken an instruction from my client. My lord, before he was being released from Murshidabad, my lord, there were two doctors, they were deposited.
They were?
They were, my lord, posted over there. And after that, he was given release.
My lord,
After that, he was given release. Then, my lord, he came to Kolkata.
That
There
means those doctors are there.
already two doctors. I also, my lord, can provide you.
It is not that. It is not that if he comes over here, then there will be no doctor at Murshidabad. It is nothing of that sort.
Absolutely not.
The patients can be taken care of.
Absolutely. I can provide you the name, sir.
All right, let me hear.
I have been instructed verbally or telephone that he has not been posted as per his choice in other 4 places because of there are no vacancy first, and secondly the petitioner did not file any medical document, current medical document of his further ailment as yet, and his matter is still not disposed, it's still pending for consideration. Where he already
What is pending for consideration? You've cancelled his transfer order.
Not
Yes, sir. Considered, allowed, then cancelled.
that is true, but thereafter petitioner request for an open day interview with the Director General BSF, New Delhi on 10 June 2026. Upon due consideration at force headquarters level, the Director General BSF granted permission for the interview, but firm date yet to be communicated. It is pending.
What is pending?
Interview, 1 day interview.
For what purpose?
For his consideration for his posting.
Sir, there must be something wrong. Either with your client or I do not know where. There is an order of transfer. Open day interview, page 25, it is already here. It is already here. It is annexed.
It is yet to be communicated, date yet to be fixed.
Where will he remain now? You were to take instruction as to where will he perform his duties from today, tomorrow, day after.
He performed where he had been given at present. Page 25.
Page?
Over the interview also. My lord, now he posted in the perform his duty in the Murshidabad now.
He has been released from Murshidabad. Ajay, please come.
On his previous order, he has been protected. Huh? At present, no vacancy.
Despite
the chief medical officer,
despite opportunity granted to the respondents to consider the posting of the petitioner at any of his choices for posting somewhere near Kolkata, no decision has yet been taken by the authority. Stop paragraph. The petitioner was directed to join Behrampur, Murshidabad by 23rd June 2026. Stop. Learned advocate representing the petitioner specifically submits before the court that there are 2 other doctors at Murshidabad, Behrampur, Murshidabad, who can take care of the patients over there. Stop. The petitioner has already proceeded to Kolkata. In terms of the order of posting dated what is the date? 24th of March. Abhijit Mukherjee.
March 2026.
24th March. Yes, 24th March 2026. Stop. Next. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the Union of India to revert with written instruction in the matter. Hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned till 13th of July 2026. Stop. A decision shall be taken by the respondent authority prior to the adjourned date. Stop. In the meantime, the authority may permit the petitioner to perform duty in any of the institutions in and around Kolkata. Stop. No coercive action will be taken against the petitioner for not reverting to his earlier place of posting at Behrampur, Murshidabad till 17th of July 2026.
These are the name of two doctors already.
Give. দুজন ডাক্তার আছে ওখানে নামগুলো দিয়ে দেবেন তো give that slip ওটা নিয়ে নিন তো লিখে রাখুন handed over by the learned advocate for the petitioner এইখানটাতে লিখে রাখুন ওখানে দিয়ে দেবেন yes call
After the photographs, can you take it at 2 p.m. because
But I have the photograph.
yes what does it show play it it's a video isn't it
Yes ma'am.
play it the demolition work is going on
Yes, going on, madam.
all right Ashanta
Madam, sees it. And it will continue for 1 month. That also verified by engineer said.
the present assistant engineer in charge building
Now
department
he has also been
Howrah Municipal Corporation
নামটা দিয়ে দেবো আপনাকে
holding additional charge as assistant engineer Borough 1 of the Howrah Municipal Corporation is personally present in court with an affidavit. Stop. It has been submitted that that unauthorized construction has been detected and the demolition work is ongoing. Stop. The same will continue for at least a month. Stop. Paragraph. Next.
Or until it is over.
It is ordered that the demolition process shall continue on day-to-day basis till the entire unauthorized construction is brought down.
Right.
ঠিক আছে? Release the matter for further consideration on 30th of July.
Only one thing, the police may be given direction again. Police is not at all.
Commissioner of Police, Howrah Police Commissionerate.
Police is not going, man.